Welcome to your AI Travel Companion tutorial built in Langflow. In this quick tutorial, we'll build an AI Travel Companion in Langflow using Cohere and Phase. Let's start. Name the new flow as Travel Companion Bot and write a short description. First, add a chat input node. Next, add a file node. Add a split text node. Add Cohere embeddings to convert chunks into vectors. Add a FAISS vector store for storing embeddings. Add a parser to format the output. Then add a prompt template. Drag Cohere language model for responses. Finally, add a chat output node. With that, we come to step number 2 of building the flow. Add the TXT file to start building as can be seen. Wire chat input, chat message, to system message in Cohere language model, node. Connect raw content of file node to input of split text node. Set chunk overlap to 50 and chunk size to 500 in split text. Connect chunks of split text to data or data frame in parser node. Wire raw content of file node to search query of face. Connect embeddings of Cohere. Embeddings to embedding of FAISS. Add prompt in the prompt template mode as is seen in the edit box. Connect raw message of chat input to context of prompt template. Add API keys for both Cohere embeddings and Cohere language models components. Wire model response of Cohere language models, node, to input of chat output. The Langflow pipeline creation is now in its second last step, and the play button at the chat output component should be pressed to confirm its successful completion. We are now going to end the video tutorial by testing the Travel Companion bot in the playground by asking questions which are provided in the context and one question out of the context to test the bot. As is evident from interaction of the user and AI Travel Companion bot in the playground of the platform, is working in the way we designed the RAG pipeline in Langflow. Thanks for watching. Happy Langflowing!